A little broken.
Got the shot though.
Hey, welcome back to Deloney V8 Motorsports. As you saw in the title, this GoPro took a major hit. The thing actually still works. The front and back screens are both broken. I'm gonna see about getting it fixed, but I was amazed. The GoPro and the mount came through. If I can get the screens fixed, that GoPro will work just fine. We'll see what happens. Big shout out to the Woodburn crew. I didn't know this thing left the car until the car got all the way back to the pits. I called the tower and literally in about 90 seconds, we were at the top end of the track and the crew had picked up the GoPro and handed it over to me. It left the car past the finish line and we got it back and the thing was still running when we got it back. So anyway, big shout out to GoPro. Let me turn the camera around. I'll show you a close up of this thing and see how it looks now. Here it is, GoPro Hero 10. And you can see shattered the front screen and as also the touch screen. The touch screen still functions. I can still turn this thing on and I can record. Obviously, it's not going to record anything very good with a screen like that. You can see kind of the road rash where it hit the track. Kind of burned up the case there in the corner. I got this mount from Amazon, Ulanzi, there's the part number. This mount still works just fine, also has some road rash. I mean, this thing went 185 miles an hour before it left the car. And so I would guess it was going somewhere around 180 by the time it hit the ground. Just amazing. Good technology. Big shout out to GoPro and I guess Ulanzi. For making good products. These things are durable. And like I say, I think I can get this GoPro fixed and it'll be back in action.